Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ramadan bin Mazri. My student matriculation in 25 DEE 19F1079. This is my project, Smart Parking System. So for my introduction, in this project we show the smart parking with LCD display. In this project, as soon as IR sensor 1 says the car, automatic the servo motor will raise the cross. When the car go to IR sensor 2, the cross will close. The project used to infrared sensor as input. In initial state, the count equal 4. When sensor sense the car, then count -1 equal 3. The more cars enter, the number will decrease until 0 and car can't enter the parking. When the IR sensor to detect the count will count from 0 and up to 1. The proper statement: firstly, driver will difficult to find an available parking slot to park their car and make process to looking parking waste time. Secondly, drivers cruising around parking spots are more likely to get into an accident. Lastly, other vehicles to be interrupted in their ways and account congestion. So for my objective, firstly, tell the driver how much car in the parking. Secondly, drivers will get to know between full or there is space in the parking area. Lastly, guide driver in congested areas to the nearest parking facility with empty parking space, and to guide drivers within parking facility to empty space. So for my methodology, firstly I connect all the components based on the circuit diagram for this temporary circuit. After that, I finish connecting each component for this user I use. Thirdly, I done soldering component. After that, I insert all the components that have connect on the project case. After that, I test run project on my planning prototype. After that, I done my prototype and this my project circuit in prototype. So this is the full view of my prototype. So this for my block diagram. Input having processor RSS1, RSS2. My data sent to Arduino Uno and output will go to LCD and servo motor. See my methodology for flowchart. And we start. After that, RSS1 sense the car. If yes, LCD car with -1 and servo motor will open. After that, RSS sense car for RSS2 and servo motor function will close. If the ELE will says car 1 will know, so car can insert the parking. So this is my total project, RM77.50. So near my impact, the project will have a huge impact on driver and in social place that have parking. Drivers will be easier to find car parking space without wasting time at shopping mall at work or late at work. It also prevent accidents for congestion occurring. In the social place will be the focus of many people because the drivers are happy to go to the parking lot there. So for my conclusion, in this conclusion, the proposed smart parking system will overcome all the challenges and difficulties that are there in the conventional car parking system. It saves us time and effort that we put into this task, and also the fuel wastage can be reduced. Smart car parking system will be a revolutionary change in the city life, which is so filled with automobiles. It could help bring order out of the chaos that exists at present in the car parking issues and makes it really simple and easy. Okay, that's all for my project. Thank you. So today I want to show you my prototype smart parking system project. Okay, let's go. So for the RI sensor 1 will detect the obstacle. For enterers, the servo motor will open. After that, the RI sensor 2 will detect and servo motor will close. So for the same method, for the exit, RSS2 will detect the car and servo motor will open
for the entrance, and RSS 1 will detect for close the entrance.